Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have admin rights and the exact app identifier. Once signed in, open the Device Management Console or Store Developer Settings. This is where restrictions are applied. Make sure to record device ID and user groups to avoid accidental locks. You will toggle policies that affect download permissions rather than deleting the app. This approach prevents reinstalls. It preserves data and gives you reversible control. Now you configure the middle steps. Create a policy profile targeted at the affected group and explicitly set install permissions to deny. If available, add the app to a blacklist or require an approved list only. Use version or OS constraints to block older vulnerable clients. Once done, assign the profile to devices or users and push the configuration. Make sure to monitor the rollout to catch conflicts with other policies or overlapping profiles. Finish by verifying on a test device that the app is no longer downloadable. Check both store listings and direct APK/IPA installation paths. Confirm users receive clear messages explaining the block and an appeal contact in case of business need. Make sure you log the change and schedule a review window. If something goes wrong, check policy precedents and overlapping profiles first. Often a higher priority policy is allowing installs, so reorder or remove conflicting rules to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.